Here we are at the Christian Classic Cruisers Car Show in North Richland Hills. Lots of loud music. A lot of C4s here today, surprisingly. Well, they've killed the music, which is making it easier to wander around and video. It's a beautiful old F-150. 150. Really clean.
I didn't see y'all until I saw Enoch. And I thought, somebody's waving at somebody behind me. I don't know.
1977. That's clean, clean, clean. $1955. Really sweet looking car. Nice little Buick T-Type.
Well, they don't know. It's all good.
A lot of red. A lot of red. Let's see. That paint still looks like it's still wet. Good job.
You're right, thank you.
Oh my God. This is insane. Holy cow. That is bad to the bone here. Yep, here comes the music again. Well, there goes the music again. Be happy for me if they'd keep it off for a little bit. A lot of custom cars here today.
All right, I find it covered. I don't know.
EBS blower. This thing's got to be a handful.
You like to get up early or later? Are you? We got some coming. I go in at 6. We got different positions. Some people, we're 30 more.
Four more?
One more, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Awesome.
On the windshield of the car, this is a cardboard.
Music. That thing. Take your pick, Ford or Chevy. 63 model.
Which is
View.
That's my neighbor.
Silver seats. Woo! That's a throwback. I think this is 81 maybe? I'll look at the tag.
Don't you give me no dirty love.
Comes with free music tonight. Got the 8-track.
Don't know that.
1956 Chevy. you doing tonight?
Good, you?
Good. Sweating like everybody else.
Yeah.
How you doing? You looked about as rough as the truck. Just remember, if you gotta have it, a little belt-driven air cleaner. Roller restoration. Ghost flames on the fenders. $39.
And when I was a teenager, I had a 32. And I got the
There's the Cobra jet. This would be a blast to drive, I'm sure. Tire frying machine. A lot of hot rods. Over 32. It's clean. Chevy 2 Nova. It's a runner. There's this beautiful Z28.
We did a lot. I had I followed a lot.
Sweet car. Original style battery. A modern version of the ZR1. The paint's beautiful. See it? Sparkly.
Are they street? Yep. The DOT are well, yeah.
That saw him last week.
I understand. That's what I'm saying. They're not a radio street. You know what I mean? Yeah. See, this is a 3.
And this was everybody's dream car in high school.
It's not the 400 or whatever. No, as big as you can get was a 350. Yes. So it's got the old school air conditioning.
Oh, I was thinking of the compressor. I was thinking of the Firebird. Yeah.
No, you're all right. You're
A6
okay.
compressor.
Then they changed.
I wanted one of these so bad in high school.
All right, Hawk fans, you got about 2 minutes to get to your seats. We're going to kick this thing off. 2 minutes.
Yep. Unfortunately, this engine's probably about 180 horsepower, but it was still a cool car back in the day. Boom. Looks like it's there's some work still being done to it. Chrysler 382.
This is really nice. Look at this. Look at the interior on this.
It ain't funny like the Mustang, right? People don't want it.
Nice.
Down there. Let's take a look at that. There's Rich hanging out. His
Ladies
Ferrari.
and gentlemen, once again, welcome to the 2000.
My aunt would have flipped her lid. She loves Tom Selleck.
All right, Hot fans,
My
on
old
your
aunt,
feet.
she's
Oh, really?
We direct your attention.
passed
to the
away,
visitor
but
side
she
of
was
the
a big
stadium.
Tom Selleck
As the Mighty
fan.
Hawk Band, Hot Fight Song.
All right, we're gonna hear some. Everything's got the Detroit Tigers hat, the Hawaiian shirt. Got the ID hanging from the mirror. Pretty cool. A little twin turbo action going on this 4-door. That's pretty cool. Little sleeper. Somebody pulls up next to him, is going to get a whooping. LS engine in the old Monte Carlo. I had a 75. Brings back great memories. Spent a lot of time under the hood working on mine. Super familiar. Mine was silver with a blue top, and mine only had half a top. It didn't have the full vinyl top on it. I had the same shifter console. Pretty much everything in here is the same. Mine was a salon version, which had cloth seats. But this thing's really nice. Love it.
They didn't unload it or anything. They told her, she said, well, why don't you
Ladies and gentlemen, all for your 2025 style and season, you are the Birdville High School cheer team.
With the Birdville High School cheer team in the background. All right. Saw this one last week. However, every time I see it, I gotta look at it. I got a little more room to walk around it this time. This thing is just one bad dude.
This week, Golden Motion is performing a cover theme for Runaway Baby. Thank you to our diamond sponsors, the Ambition Dance Productions, Cassie Wiggins Realtors with Sophie Delpierre's Real Estate, Guaranteed Bank and Trust, and Refreshing the Food. Senior Lieutenant Lily Kelly. Senior Lieutenant Addison Chavez.
Don't put that on the other side, you'll see all them scratches.
Sophomore Lieutenant
It doesn't matter, man. This thing's just one bad dude, T1 scratches or not. Same engine I got in my Corvette. It's pretty funny. Well, actually, that's out of the Camaro. Clean though.
Not that obvious. December wheels on those. Would have had the machine.
Yeah,
this is definitely a sore point because I need to do it this winter because talking about getting older, I'm getting older. How much longer can I do this? Yeah. And I think you're much younger than I am. Well, that's I don't ride as much as I used to. Pickup truck over here. They bring us to every show. Maybe not this. I don't know what it was. They had one.
In all home games are part of the pregame activities. We hope to see you at pregame on September 4th at our first home game. And now moving on, ladies and gentlemen, the next Vertical Mighty Hawk Band will be transitioning to perform their 2025 varsity competition show. It's entitled Riff Raff. Musical selections include Symphonic Metamorphosis by Hinderman.
Ooh, got a little blower on this one.
Symphony Number 5 by Beethoven, and Chameleon by Herbie Hancock, and many more riffs for your favorite tunes.
This is sweet.
Drum majors, are you ready? You may begin your performance.
He worked.
No judging.
My dad was allowed to come into the U.S. So I've been, shit, I was probably
Got here fast.
4 or 5 years old, yeah. But
When did you move your family to Texas?
1993.
93.
Yeah. It was, yeah.
This has a Pat Musey engine in it, so that's a
No regrets?
pretty serious machine. So ghost flames on the hood, they're on the valve cover, the air
I just like
filter.
the food, the kind of things. But yeah, and everybody always asks, did you move back? No, I like visiting, but I don't think I should be back. Things have changed. I gotta go.
Try to get a picture of all of these lined up. And I gotta get back to the fucking porta potties to get a good picture. That's a 2000.
Yeah.
Notice the amount of money I got gnawed off on her.
My engine's cleaner.
Yeah, right.
They have a whole lot of classes, but like old blues and class.
Now let's go! Jumping at the hot, too hot. Been rolling at the hot, too hot. Well, everybody humming, everybody's bumping. I don't know.
This is 32.
Too hard.
You got two lips that look so fine. You got one heart I wish was mine. Love, sweet love, you got love.
No. See the headlights?
Here, watch.
Love, sweet love, you got love. You got love, real love. You got love, sweet love. You got love that is true. I want only you. You got two eyes so you can see. Your love wasn't meant for me. Love, sweet love, you got love.
Next is vehicle 808, Thomas Berry, the owner, a 1995 Chevrolet Corvette.
Thank you.
Next is vehicle 909, the owner of Nathan and
Thank
Susan
you.
Peterson. It's a 2008 Shelby GT500.